In Germany, you can find 0% financing offers at car dealerships, furniture stores, electronic shops, and many other places. At first, they may sound tempting, but they can become a money trap. To ensure you don't encounter any unwelcome surprises, it's crucial to understand 0% financing in Germany and is it actually worth it or not. Hey friends, if you're new here, my name is Ahsan. I'm a researcher, and on this channel we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. How 0% financing works. 0% financing is a type of installment loan that comes with a fixed term and a set amount to pay each month. The best part is that you won't have to worry about the burdensome interest, at least for a specific period of time. What many people don't realize is that credit institutions partner with retailers to make these deferred payments possible. When you sign a purchase contract with 0% financing, the credit institution steps in and takes the role of the buyer. They provide the payment to the merchant upfront, ensuring that the seller receives their money right away. On the other hand, the credit institution needs to be patient and wait until you, the buyer, have paid off the installments over time. Who can benefit from 0% financing? In this deal, everyone involved wants to benefit and gain something valuable. The buyer gets to overcome a financial hurdle without dipping into their own savings, the seller sees their sales go up, and the credit institution gains access to valuable customer information. But wait, does it sound too good to be true? Well, most of the time, it actually is. Among these offers, there are many untrustworthy ones. That is why consumers need to be cautious and pay attention to a few important factors. There must be a catch. When you come across products offering 0% financing, it's easy to think that you've stumbled upon a great bargain. However, experience has shown that in many cases, the prices of those goods are actually inflated. That's why it's a smart move to compare prices with what the competition has to offer. You might just get lucky and find a better deal, saving yourself from taking a loan altogether. An important thing is that even if you have already signed the contract, you don't have to worry at the start. Consumers still have the right to withdraw from an agreement within a 14-day period. This applies not only to the purchase contract but also to the loan agreement, as long as the borrowed amount is at least 200 euros. Please hit the like button if you're getting value from this video and consider subscribing. Loans in Germany are always complicated. When faced with what seems like a fantastic offer, it's hard to resist taking it. After all, signing a contract for 0% financing is often quick and a straightforward process. A simple signature, whether digital or in-store, is usually all it takes. Sometimes you need to provide a positive Schufa certificate or proof of income. However, it's crucial to recognize that when you're forced to take out a loan, you're essentially buying something that you can't truly afford. And as a rule of thumb, you should only finance items that you genuinely need and can confidently repay. It's important to remember that every loan, even 0% financing, can impact your Schufa score. The exact criteria used by the credit agency to assess your rating may not always be clear. However, one thing is certain: if you fail to repay the loan on time, your credit rating will suffer. This can make obtaining future loans more challenging. Even small monthly installments can accumulate over time. If you find yourself unable to manage those payments, you may end up in overdraft or be compelled to take out yet another loan. The bank can also terminate the loan if you do not pay the installments on time. You then have to pay it back in full immediately. If the bank has suffered damages as a result of the missed payments, late payment interest may also apply. All of this can leave a negative entry in your Schufa score, and this then becomes a problem when you take out another loan, for example for debt restructuring. This can unnecessarily increase the overall cost of financing, and in the end, what appeared to be a great deal ends up becoming a money trap. You can watch my detailed video on Schufa score here. What about additional offers? Once the contract has been signed, you might be presented with extra insurance option to safeguard against unforeseen circumstances. One example is residual debt insurance, which kicks in if you are unable to make timely payments due to illness or unemployment. However, these types of policies tend to be both costly and offer little practical value. In fact, these expenses can quickly outweigh the benefits of 0% financing. The same situation applies to credit cards or additional credit offers that come with 0% financing. It's advisable for you to avoid such temptations, as often the terms and conditions of these offers are considerably worse than those of the original loan, ultimately putting you at a disadvantage. Pay attention to the terms and conditions. The loan conditions hold vital information that you shouldn't overlook. It's crucial essential for you to take the time to read them thoroughly before making any hasty decisions. Spontaneous purchases might seem exciting, but they're not advisable in this case. Sales staff often fall short in providing comprehensive guidance, intentionally or unintentionally leaving out important details. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Take your time and carefully consider your option before making a decision. This often occurs at mobile stores where you buy or get a new contract on either a phone or a SIM card. 0% financing typically comes with a specific time period attached to it. If you exceed this time frame, the interest rates can suddenly skyrocket to unexceptionally high levels. 0% financing or other loans. 0% financing has a unique legal aspect that sets it apart. Because no interest is charged to the consumer, it doesn't fall under the category of a traditional consumer loan. As a result, consumer protection measures are somewhat limited. So in this case, getting a loan at a lower interest rate might be a better option for some in terms of consumer protection. Who should consider 0% financing in Germany? Now, I'm not saying that no one should take 0% financing in Germany. All I'm saying is that you need to be careful when you do so. Heck, I even bought this phone from Google at 0% interest. Similarly, I have bought many items from Amazon again at 0% financing. Just the other day, there was a comment from a subscriber who asked whether there will be any charges or interest from Amazon installment plan if they paid the installments using a credit card. This is something that falls under 0% financing if the installment plan is given by Amazon at 0% interest. But if you pay the installments using a credit card, you may have to pay interest rate depending on the credit card. That is why it's important to select a credit card which has good features as I share in this video. So thanks for watching. Bleib gesund and I'll see you in this video.